ladies, it's me, Q, the Ultrapreneur. I'm here with another delicious recipe. Y'all know I love seafood. We are cooking glazed skillet salmon, so tune in.
So these are the items that you need. This is fresh cut salmon fillets from the seafood department. This is your glaze mixture. It is soy sauce and brown sugar, stirred up, of course. And this is the brand of the soy sauce that I use. That's olive oil. That's minced garlic, minced parsley, red pepper flakes, and this here is paprika with cayenne. You don't have to use cayenne if you don't like spice. This is salt and black pepper. And then of course we need lemons and a half stick of butter. These are fresh green beans, or you can use your own vegetable of choice. And of course my handy dandy cast iron skillet. What I'm going to do first is season the salmon with salt and pepper. Make sure you season it evenly. And once we finish that, then I'm going to pat the seasoning in and get some of that moisture out. Now let's turn our skillet to a medium heat and add our oil of choice. Okay, once your skillet is hot enough, you'll go ahead and add the salmon. Make sure you add it skin side down. You always want to start your salmon with it being skin side down. Then we'll flip it and make it skin side up. Okay, now as you see, the skin is up. My temperature is a little bit higher than usual. You want to put yours more so to medium low. Not too high because you don't want to burn it. And then you want to make sure each side has a nice brown crisp to it. Don't overcook it and definitely don't burn it. So your result should look something similar to this. This looks so good. Look at that nice color on all sides. What we're going to do now is take it out of the skillet and put it to the side in a plate. In the meantime, clean that skillet out. Make sure there's no leftover ingredients. Dry it and prepare for your next step. Keep the temperature the same, medium heat, medium to low preferably. You don't want to burn any of these ingredients. Add your garlic. Cook it a little bit, and then you're going to add your half stick of butter. Again, make sure your temperature is not too high. You don't ever want to burn these two because it's going to ruin the taste if you do. So what I'm doing now is stirring in a circular motion. You want to do the same. You want to make sure that the butter and garlic does not stick to the pan. Keep stirring and stirring, and this is going to be the beginning of our glaze. Stir, stir, stir. Make sure your temperature is not too hot. Once the butter is completely melted, then we're going to put our salmon back in the pot. We're going to add our salmon back to the pot. Make sure you add it skin side down. Top it with a little bit of the butter sauce. Make sure your temperature is not too high. Your result should look something like mine. It looks so good. Yeah, add a little more and a little more. I hope y'all are having fun. Now what we're going to do is add our cayenne and paprika. Again, if you do not want this dish too spicy, you do not have to add cayenne pepper. That's just a personal preference to add a little hint of a spice to it. Next, you're going to add your crushed red pepper flakes. Again, make sure your temperature is not too high. I don't want you guys drying this out. And then my favorite part, we're going to add our glaze mix. Now make sure that you stir it up before pouring, because a lot of times the brown sugar can sit to the bottom of the bowl. So yeah, make sure you stir it up and that it's blended very well before you pour it on top. Look at that. Looks so good. There's the glaze, but we're not done, so don't log off. Keep watching. Okay, so what we're going to do now is add our parsley. How amazing does this look? Now squeeze a little bit of that lemon juice on top. Make sure you take the seeds out. This looks so good. The result should look something very similar to mine if you followed each step directly. Your vegetable of choice should already be prepared. If it's green beans or anything similar, I encourage you to add it to the skillet and add a cute lemon garnish. And there you have it, glazed skillet salmon. Thanks for cooking with Q. Please subscribe to my channel. Like this video, share this recipe with your friends and family. And until next time, cuties, much peace, wealth, and health.